In this example, given a continuous random variable x with probability density function fx, which consists of px plus 1, where x greater or equal 0 but less than 1, x plus q, where x is from 1 but less than 2, and 0 otherwise. P, Q are constant. If the probability x greater or equal 0 but less than 1 is equal to half A, find the values of P and Q. To find P and Q, we'll make use of the information given. First, probability x 0 to 1 is equal to half. Is equals to the integration from 0 to 1. The corresponding function is px plus 1. Integrate px is equals to px squared over 2. Integrate 1 is x. Substitute the boundaries. P over 2 1 squared plus 1 minus 0 is equal to half. Half minus 1 is equals to negative half on the right hand side. P over 2. Therefore, P is equals to negative 1. Let us continue to find Q. Since x is a continuous random variable, therefore 1 is equals to the integral from negative infinity to positive infinity. Let us carry on. 1 is equals to integrate from 0 to 1 fx plus 1 to 2. The corresponding function is x plus q. And from the information given, the integration from 0 to 1 is equals to half. So we substitute the first part as half plus integrate x is x squared over 2 integrate q is qx. Substitute the limits. We have 1 over 2 plus 2 squared over 2 plus 2q minus 1 over 2 plus 1q. Simplify this part. 2 squared over 2 is equals to 2. 2 minus half is equals to 3 over 2. 2q minus q is equals to q. So half plus 3 over 2 is equals to 2 plus q is equal to 1. So q also equals to negative 1. B. Find the probability x between 1 and 2. B is equals to integral from 1 to 2 refer to negative 1 plus x or x minus 1 dx. Integrate x is x squared over 2. Integrate 1 is x. Substitute the boundaries. Is 2 squared over 2 minus 2 minus 1 squared over 2 minus 1 is equals to, let us simplify it. 2 squared over 2 is equals to 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Half minus negative 1 is negative half. Negative times negative is equals to 1 over 2. C. Find the probability x greater equal than 1.5 is equals to definite integral from 1.5 to 2. The corresponding function is negative 1 plus x or x minus 1. Integrate x is x squared over 2 minus x. Substitute the boundaries is 2 squared over 2 minus 2 minus 1.5 squared over 2 minus 1.5 is equals to 3 over 8. For t, find the probability x less than 0.5 is equals to the definite integral from 0 to 0.5. The corresponding function is 1 minus x. Integrate with respect to x is equals to integrate 1 is x, integrate x is x squared over 2. Substitute the limits is 0.5 minus 0 is equals to 3 over 8. E, find the probability of x greater equals to negative 0.2. We can use the total area under the function 1 subtract px less than 0.2, which is equals to less equal 1 minus integrate from 0 to 0.2 1 minus x dx is equals to 1 minus x squared over 2 0 to 0.2 is equal to 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.2 squared divided by 2 minus 0 is equals to 41 over 50. F, find the probability where x is between 1 over 4 to 5 over 4. Let us start integrate from 1 over 4 to 1. The corresponding function is 1 minus x. And then carry on from 1 to 5 over 4. The corresponding function is x minus 1 is equals to plus x squared over 2 minus x. Substitute limit 1 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 squared over 2 plus 5 over 4 squared over 2 minus 5 over 4 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. From the calculator is equals to 5 over 16.